there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to download Humanity Nest app on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Humanity Nest connects those in need of basic necessities with kind-hearted donors, companies, and philanthropists that are ready to make a difference. First of all, go to App Store. Once you are on App Store, search for Humanity Nest app. Now you won't see any results. This is because this app is not available on App Store. Or the other reason is, maybe this app is not available in my region. So what we will do, we will exit App Store and go to Safari web browser. Over here, search Humanity Nest. Then you will see that this app is available on Play Store, which means that you can download it on Android devices. But you cannot get in on your iOS devices at the moment. Maybe after some time this app will be available for iOS. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.